Dogelon Mars is in the bull run, and it's official. We are again in the bull run, and you can just see this one day what happened with the price and with the volume of the Dogelon Mars. Today we are even dropped a little from the highest price in this day that happened around 6 p.m. But right now we can see that the price is still in the highest range and 22% up in just this day. And just watch these numbers on the volume is 140% up on the 20, close to the 22 million mark. That's nice because Dogelon is dropped down from 80 to 90 million, volume has dropped down to the about 10 million position. You can see it over here between 8 and 10 million, and right now 140% up. The position is actually higher. We were about in the range from 130 to 35 position. Now we are again in top 130 cryptocurrency. This guy is actually thinking the same thing that I am thinking, and you can see it over here. We can see this bull run and the Dogelon Mars over here in the spot market. You can find it with the top gainers. As you can see, we were 28% up, and that price, as you can see over here, was exactly on the 0.501. So we actually today had managed to lose this 1-0 and to push the price to the support level that it should be. Next thing and next important article is over here and says Binance and Coinbase will list Dogelon Mars. Keep buying the dip. So you just need to keep buying the dip. This guy is saying, I'm familiar, I think his opinion is actually great, but keep in mind, guys, that I'm not the financial advisor and you need to do the research before any investment of yours. The golden rule of investing is, of course, invest the money that you are willing to lose. So that's the golden rule for investing. One more thing over here is saying this is big Twitter profile, but this is actually the Reddit post behind it, and says Dogelon is top. As you can see, which dog is going to spike more this month? This guy asked, I think he actually has somewhere around 2 to 3 million followers on Twitter. See, this is the massive vote, and you can see it's still not done, but already has 21,000 votes, and we can see 50% of those votes are in Dogelon Mars' favor. That's actually looking so good, because between Shiba Inu Dogecoin and Baby Dogecoin, that are all massive project, Dogelon Mars is winning this massive vote. We still have a lot days left in this vote, but I'm expecting for it to win it, and that will probably gain attention of more and more people. I love to watch these indicators, and they are really important to the short-term investors, so they are investing and actually traders. So we can see from 15 minutes to 1 hour, and maybe even after that, yeah, every single indicator except from this one and 1 month is actually looking so goodly for Dogelon Mars right now. But most important is this 1 hour, and moving averages are telling strong buy. From 15 indicators, you can see that almost every single one of them is telling buy for Dogelon Mars. So actually probably these traders that are day trading are now in the buy position with Dogelon Mars, and that's pushing for sure, pushing the volume and pushing the price of it. This is big crypto news that I need to cover with you, and says ClearTax launches software to track and manage portfolios for India's Bitcoin Dogecoin rise with that. So India is now actually in the process of accepting cryptocurrencies. Is giving something of the 30-31% of the taxes. If you want me to cover that, just leave in the comment and I will make the video on it. And you can see in the top meme coins there is Dogelon Mars, and says that they all show the rise in this last 24 hours. Beautifully looking, and if you want we can check the technical analysis over here on the chart, but just watch this chart and I can tell you next milestone and point that we need to hit is over here. That's the 0.5012. That's the next thing that we are hitting, and I'm expecting it to do, because this is the great token.